You got me on video one time, and I was like, yo, if I get my Evo running, I'm gonna let you drive it.
Good morning, San Diego. Good morning, SD. What's happening, West Coast? I love Cali. Good morning, San Diego.
What's the situation? Toy Drive car show today. Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3. Yeah. Car show before the car show. All right, let's roll. Damn, it's cold. Roll out. Man, it feels like back in the days. Rolling. Damn, this your ride?
I wish.
What's up, player? Hey, did you realize 1, 2, and 3? First gen, second gen.
Oh yeah, 1, 2, and 3, right? There you go, bro.
What's up, player?
What's up, man?
Yep, 47 degrees, refrigerator weather. Still getting it organized. I'm just here to hang out.
You know, we're just here because it's too hot outside, inside the house. So
This free AC, free AC.
Free AC here, San Diego.
Ernie!
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
I see.
91, yeah.
I see you got the wheels on with no problems.
Hey, I owe you lunch today, bro.
all good.
I insist, man.
Don't even trip. It's
Right there.
It's Mugen Man. Mr. Mugen.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Rex's car right here. Sedan. What up?
What's up, bro?
How you been?
Good, man. Good morning. Happy New Year.
Frank is here.
Hell yeah, man. We're set up.
Got the nice canopy going on. Ooh. Got prizes too. Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year, man.
Get ready to start the year.
Definitely,
With all this
man.
car
Hell yeah, we're good vibes.
shenanigans. Dog house. What's up, bro?
Karl, come tell us about your car.
Oh shit, it is custom, like in great rotors. What does it say? Oh shit.
Like
That's,
that?
yeah, it's nice.
Custom rotors, custom wheels. 1910, 1911, 4-inch lip, 3-inch lip,
Shit.
3-piece mesh, custom, one-off. Full
Ready-
agro kit.
Ready to go drifting up in this mud. I like the wing.
Yeah,
What can
full
you tell me
agro
about
kit.
the wing?
Agro.
Oh, Agro. You better sponsor you after this. Oh, it's your IG right here.
Yeah.
All right, it's still cold, so I'm still gonna be having my hoodie on. The BMWs out here, Lamborghini doors. How you been, bro?
What's up, man?
How you doing? Man, why you all the way out here, bro?
Well, this is where the spot they gave us.
So we got a nice variety of cars here. Chris over there, coffee in hand, GTR. So I haven't gone this way yet.
Yeah. Okay, let's take a walk and
check out all the other cars. What's up, fool? Want to run? So, happy New Year. How you been? Alright, we got a good variety of cars over here. Got some Audis, Lexuses, some VIPs. James made it! James made it! Who you with?
I just keep
Hermie! James made it!
Video. You got me on video one time. I saw you at like a Honda meet. I brought my EK and I was like, yo, if I get my Evo running, I'm gonna let you drive it.
Is it running?
It today.
Is it running?
Yeah, it's running.
Shoot.
Let's go.
I wasn't expecting to be driving a car today. Or let alone an Evo.
You used to have one.
True.
That's how I met you.
Little short stint. Alright, Alex brought his car out. I get to drive it. Yeah.
E85? Yeah, we're still on E82 right now. Right,
Good looking out, bro.
Yeah. I had to get, I had to let you drive it, man.
Everybody on the face shit. I look around and feel like everybody on the face. I'm in this. Every day I'm in this. One day blow up.
Woo-hoo-hoo, nice.
Ah, I love that feeling. It's not my car, so I'll chill out. Here it is. We'll go a little hard here. He got scared. He's on. I'm gonna let him know that I'm not going as fast as him. That feels nice, dude. Feels great. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, man.
There we go some more, but I want to press my luck. Yeah, my highlight.
I trust the car and I trust you, man.
Oh, thanks, man. Feels good that people could trust me with their cars.
Yeah, I think you're good.
Okay. Thanks, bro.
All right, man.
Man, that was nice. 562. What's up, bro? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yeah.
You didn't make it out to H Day?
I know. I was trying to build another car in time, but I couldn't.
Another one?
Yeah, I want to do all motor.
Now you're gonna go all motor with Jack?
Yeah, because it's more fun, and I feel like it's you get to go more rounds.
Dependable.
Turbo is something always happening, bro. Always something happening. Let me know. We'll get you to the events. I'll hit you. I'll message you whenever there's like an underground event, kind of street racing, whatever.
Oh, I'm down. I'm down to come out.
I got you.
Just can't show my face. All
we
right,
need
bro.
content though. So.
All right, bro.
All right.
Mini power band reunion right here. Dude, where's your car?
I'm waiting for Tim. Well, we're gonna pick it up though.
trailer it?
Probably trailer it. Can't drive it. It's a run, yeah.
All right, it's Aiden from Team Mixer. What's up, guys? The event's going crazy. We're gonna end the video here. Like and subscribe. Let's go.